Spain's famous wine industry could be in line for a tough Christmas. Like many global businesses, it's been hit hard by supply chain disruption. Francisco Ibe Barriaga is one winemaker who has seen the damage done by the crisis. He ordered bottles from France to fill at his small winery in La Rioja. They will not arrive in time for the holiday season.
We wanted to bring out a wine for Christmas, a very special bottle that comes from France. They've told us that it's impossible, and we'll have to wait until May to make it. Everything is completely sold out.
Winemakers are working fast in Spanish vineyards to fill bottles in time for next month's peak holiday season. But it does not look easy for the world's third largest producer of wine to meet demand due to higher prices and supply shortages. Besides bottles, prices for cardboard and wooden crates are also soaring. Santiago Frias is president of the wine company Bodegas Riojanas.
No, it's an absolutely real worry today. The Christmas campaign is extremely important and concentrates a great deal of our sales. It's clear that if we don't have our materials to supply and to label our bottles, we won't be able to deliver to our customers.
Spain's Wine Producers Federation said supply chain issues should work themselves out in the coming months. The trade group also assured Spaniards there would not be a wine shortage this Christmas.
Stocks on Wall Street reversed an early rally Monday to end mostly flat. Tech stocks led the about face, pressured by a rise in Treasury yields. The three major indexes ended near the break-even line. The Dow posted its fourth loss in 5 sessions. Pictet Asset Management Chief Strategist Luca Paolini says investors are starting to feel jittery about earnings just as major retailers get set to report their results.
The risk of inflation, and also there is a little bit, I think, of worry that the earnings may surprise on the downside, something that we haven't seen in a long time.
Some investors sold shares of Walmart and Home Depot ahead of their earnings results Tuesday. News of orders and the prospects for more fueled buying in shares of Boeing. Emirates is buying 2 777 freighters, and Boeing is in talks with Saudi Arabian Airlines for a wide-body jet order. Electric car maker Tesla extended its recent sell-off after CEO Elon Musk engaged in a dispute with Senator Bernie Sanders over taxes. Tesla's market value fell below the $1 trillion mark. Tesla's declines follow a steep drop of 15.4% last week after Musk offloaded a combined $6.9 billion worth of shares in the company. Dollar Tree was the top gainer on the S&P, rising more than 14%. Activist investor Mantle Ridge has taken a stake in the discount retailer. As health-related restrictions ease, demand for office space has been rebounding, and that's helping WeWork. In its first report since going public last month, the office-sharing company shrank its quarterly loss more than analysts expected. WeWork has benefited from the move by many companies to adopt a hybrid model for work. The SoftBank-backed company said occupancy in its offices was up 9% from a year earlier, and memberships increased 7%. WeWork has tried to cut losses by exiting unprofitable leases and selling non-core assets. The company was supposed to make its stock market debut 2 years ago, but WeWork had to abort its plans amid investor concerns over its business model and co-founder Adam Neumann's management style. That botched IPO attempt resulted in its ouster that year. The company finally succeeded last month through a merger with a blank check firm in a $9 billion deal, a far cry from its $47 billion valuation in 2019.